Any input, Vivek?
Yeah.
Yeah, any input? I mean, if we don't want to typecast this user-defined input as its integer, but still I want this program to be executed perfectly without any errors. Because right now, if I execute it, okay, if you see, I just gave a number 5. Now what will happen? It will give me invalid number. But what was my expectation that it should print what? Thursday. So can we do that? One way
Yeah.
was typecasting. We did the typecasting. What we did, we just make it int. Okay. Here.
Right.
And that time when I executed 5, I got my expected output as Thursday. Correct? Here.
Right.
Now, what if I don't want to use any int typecasting here? Even though I want this 5, Thursday to be printed. So gave up?
Can we do it individually for each thing?
See, if I make it like this, okay, what I did, instead of writing numbers, will it work? I make them all strings,
Yes, it should work.
right? So there are multiple ways of doing the program, and you will get the same output also. So it's always good to think all the alternative ways available. Okay, so if I just run it, what will happen? Okay, now if I write a number as 5, so it will give me output as Thursday. Got it?
Yeah.
So even without typecasting, we can get the certain output. But what we did, we just make it was as a string. All right? Okay, Vivek?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it did not occur to me actually because explicitly when like program is user dependent. So
Yeah.
until unless it is not generalized, we take like a specific input. So that is why it did not occur to me.
Okay. Now here, my objective was to show you the multiple ways to
Right.
get the same output. Okay?
In fact, I have written it down now in my notes.
All right, great. Now here is nested conditional. Take a minute and have a look at this flowchart. Then we will discuss the flowchart. Okay? Because we are going to write this program. Even you guys are also going to write at your end.
Okay.
So how to do this nested conditional?
I think it's a self-explanatory flow chart in itself. We just need to follow the instructions.
Yeah. So okay, Rishi, chalo, start telling me. What we are going to do at first, we are going to
Assign variables.
Yes, we are going to declare 3 variables and we are going to put the values. Okay, so these are integer values or they will be string or what?
These are particularly integers. We can also use strings, but
It's good to go with
Yeah.
integers. Right. Okay, now then what happens after declaration of variable? It is going to go and check the very first condition. So this is our main condition.
Yeah.
Okay, if x is equal to 10. So if our condition give the output as true, then what will happen? It is going to go and check this condition. If y is equal to 20, correct?
Yeah.
Now if it evaluates true, then we have certain things to be printed. It will print and then it is going to end the program.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so shall we start writing program?
Okay.
So you guys will write at your end or you will just tell me here only?
We can write. It's okay.
I think that will take a lot of time. It would be better like
if I'll write.
Okay. Yeah.
X is equal to 10 and then we have y is equal to 20 and then z is equal to 13. Okay. Now we're going to write the very first